Okay guys, the pop trunk, I don't have the key for this, but the electric pop trunk works fine. And I have one. I don't know if something's wrong with my this, but look what's back here. This cylinder is super heavy. And of course, I don't think there's no gas in it. I don't know. Nozzle broke off. This thing is insanely heavy. And I don't know if you can scrap these or not. But I'm gonna take these panels off so you guys can see how the trunk pop mechanism works. Okay guys, let me show you that it works. Just ran the hot from the battery. Since all this is disconnected. This is my hot coming from the battery. Just hook it to one side of the switch. I'll show you guys how the switch fit off in that spot as well. Just removed it. So, got the hot off the battery. The switch is already grounded from the metal from being bolted up. So you just got one. All you're doing is completing the circuit. You're just sending power to it because it's already grounded. Once you send power to it, you guys hear it click. So it's held in, it's just pushed in here. See these little tabs. Once you twist it, you can twist it out of this hole and pull it out. Once you remove the plug, you guys can see how the plug is pushed onto there. Just flathead screwdriver, I'll get it right off of there. So I'll be using this in a Mustang, and let's go back here and remove it. But yeah, this is how you pop it manually. That's the hot from the battery. I'll show you guys that. Just put a hot on the hot side of the battery because, like I said, the switch is already grounded. So we got to remove this panel, some Phillips. It's already partially removed, so we got some Phillips bolts throughout here. Some of them are already removed. So I'm gonna take this panel off. I'm gonna pop the switch off of here. All right, just pull this panel back. So you got a giant mice nest right there. You're gonna throw that out. But I'm gonna take these 1/2 inch, I believe they are, or 7/16, one of them. Loop them up. But you guys can see this. There's the white line coming from the back. So I don't know if somebody put this here, because this is not normal wire. And we're gonna test my plug out too. I got one as well. Looks like somebody put this in here. So we removed it. There's a plug for it. I gotta also remove that spring. I'm gonna pull that spring up some so we can get this rod out of here because I don't have the key to this lock. So normally the lock, remove the lock first, pull it out. And you know what? Let's just pull the lock out. Let's pull the lock out. It's held in by this. Let's pull the lock out. Let's pull the lock out since I don't got one. Let's pull the lock out, guys. Pull this up now. Just pull it up off of there. Remove this one as well. You guys can see down in there. So let's remove this as well. All right, I got that off. So this lock should come out here. Let's get a pry tool and pry this lock out because I don't have the key to it no way. So let's do that right now. Sorry about the different movement. I normally have some stationary action going on here, but my tripod is missing in action right now. I'm just trying to do this quickly. Like I said, I'm trying to show every aspect. And let's get some WD-40 out here too to lube all this stuff up. All right, guys, so I'm gonna try WD-40 on it. We're gonna go through the different locks as well. Let's remove it real quick. Okay, we're out. But this is weird. I'm gonna show you guys something. So I don't think this will work unless I use this device from my hood pop, and I may just do that on my car, because here's another one. So obviously it seats down in here like so. That's both for the back sides. Yeah, this is old one. I don't know. This is matches down. Let's take a look at another one as well. So this is off the 77. This is a really nice hatch. Got some surface rust there. This hatch is nice. But look at this one. So let's remove this one right now as well. Let's get this one out. We'll use this for the yellow car, so we can't lock it. So here's one that I had. This came out of 78, 77, 78. Guys, I'm guessing this was removed from another vehicle, maybe another kind of Ford. If you guys are familiar with it, let me know, because the Mustang IIs are like the ones to the right and the one above it. Which is crazy that 278s got different mechanisms. But this one, I can't get this one to work, only manually. Locked. 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 So this is the way they sit in, like this. This is the side facing towards the trunk. Facing toward the trunk, facing toward the trunk. Locked. Unlocked. Unlocked. You know what, guys? I'm gonna take the one out my black truck. I can't get this one to work. I don't know why this one won't work. All right, guys, so this is the 76. This is the earlier one. Let's raise this up and let's remove this. Let's remove this one and see how it's made. Okay, so here's mine. So it should be fine. It just have the older mechanism that keeps it propped up when you pop it, when it releases, which is this. It has that old mechanism. But it should latch the same way, so let's remove this. So I also noticed this has 3 bolts. 1, 2, 3. That's 3 bolts. Let's see if that makes any difference. So let's see if this makes a difference with this locking. Unlike the other hatches, once you remove the hood lock mechanism on the other ones, the hatch sets all the way flush. And with this one, of course, that prop with that mechanism, it allows it to stay propped up still. So even if I put down on it, that's it. Still propped up. The other ones, you'll smash your finger in them. I mean, it's down, carrying the weight of the hatch itself. So let's go see this one compared to the other ones. All right, so here's all four of them. This came out to 76. This came out to 77, 78, 78. 2 78s, 77, 76. As you see, pretty much the same. Let's lock them. Locked, 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 locked. So I don't see why this won't work with mine. Only thing difference is, look at that third hole. There's a third hole for this one. And it's not there. As you can see, it's blocked off. Of course, it's not here. And with this one, it's not there. Look at this device. It's pretty big for this mechanism. I like this one. It's just skinny. I guess it just pops it up really quick. It just flips this switch up electronically. It just flips this switch up and releases the lock, whereas this is the entire mechanism. So I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna paint this all nice. We're gonna use this one. I wish this one would work. This is a little bit more modernized to me, but we know this works. So we're gonna clean this up with some parts cleaner, and we're gonna paint this thing. We're gonna paint this guy. We're gonna remove the wire from off that plastic retainer. We're gonna paint this. This should work because that hook is all there on all the latches. So yeah, we just gonna go with this one. All right, guys. Hope you found this video helpful in some shape or form. Like I said, I'm showing everything possible that I can with these Mustangs before I move on to the other vehicle. Once again, I hope you guys found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Terrence, and I'm out.